The future of video is here. With DID, you can create professional AI presenters in seconds. You can choose from a massive library of built-in models, both male and female, or even upload your own photo to bring it to life. It's perfect for business, marketing, or your personal blog.
Need a high-converting ad for your product? Don't spend thousands on film crews. Just type your text, pick a voice, and let the AI do the magic. You can even translate your existing videos into dozens of languages instantly.
You can find other video examples and useful tips via the link in the description. My page covers everything you need to know about this service and how to use it for your projects. You will also find a link there where you can try creating your own video for free to see how it works for yourself. Whether you need a simple avatar for a blog or a professional solution for your brand, all the necessary details are waiting for you. Don't miss the chance to explore these features today. Click the link now, follow the instructions on my page, and start your AI journey. See you there.